example, starting with simultaneous equations. So this is part of algebra, right? So you'll have two equations which will have a similar, you know, these variables will have the same values, right, within these both equations. So that's why they're called simultaneous, right?
Sir, you're audible, but you're not clear.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Okay. So simultaneously, we have variables, right? So these are what are called variables. The letters are called variables. उनके साथ एक number लगा हुआ है. That number is called the coefficient, right? So when a coefficient is not present, the coefficient is one, right? For example, here if x के साथ कुछ नहीं लगा हुआ, so x के साथ one, right? So within that same vein, if x is adding with 3x, we're adding 1 plus 3, so the value is 4x. So these are some basic principles. Moving forward, 3x minus x is 2x. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what the elimination method of simultaneous equations is basically is okay, we will take these both equations and we will make them equal to each other and we will remove one of these variables. So हम किस तरह करेंगे? We will make x the subject for both these equations. For example, we make x the subject for the first equation. X is 15 minus 4y. Make sense?
Yeah.
Here x is 18 minus 5y. Yes?
Yes.
So now what we do is make both of these equations equal to each other. So yes, makes sense,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now we remove the this. Now what we can do is rearrange this in order to find y. Okay. So all of the terms with y on one side and all of the terms without any variable on one side. So what we do is let's remove this 5y and we bring it here. So 5y plus 15 is equal to 18. And then we take this 15 and we move it here. So we take plus 15 and we move it to that side and it becomes minus 15. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we have is y is equal to 3. Yep. So now you have the value for y. Can you input this value into any of these equations? You get x. Yes or no?
Yes.
So for example, let's put y here. So we get x is equal to 4 times 3. Sorry. Yeah. X is equal to 4 times 3 negative plus 15 is equal to, yeah. Okay. ऐसा ही है,
Mm-hmm.
right? So what is the value for x? 15 minus 12, right? So x is equal to 3 and y is also equal to 3, right? Now what I want you to do is try and solve these. Can you tell me which value or which variable you will use to eliminate first?
Why?
Y. Yeah. So try that and then we move forward.
How do I remember these steps? There were like so many steps.
The first step is always make a subject, right? And then once you found y, once you found x, यहाँ पे, because the first subject that you'll make will be eliminated, right? जैसे हमने यहाँ पे y के लिए किया, या फिर हमने यहाँ पे x के लिए किया, right? So x eliminate हो जाता है, right? So x eliminate हो जाता है, right? And the first value that you get is y. Once you have y, you can use y to get out x. So similarly, इस case के अंदर you will get x first, and then you can use x to find y. अब मुझे पहले first step करके देगा खाली. Make the two equations where y is the subject. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. बताओ.
Y is equals to 3 minus 3x
Yes.
and y is equals to 2 minus 4x.
Yes. Okay. Good. Now, what is the next step? अब हमारे पास दो values हैं जो कि y के equal है. So can we make these two equations equal to each other because they're equal to y?
Yes.
बताओ. So what will that look like? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now what will you do? What's the next step from here?
The value with the variable उसको एक side पर कर देना and without the variable उसको एक side पर.
Yes. करके बताओ.
Will it be 3x plus 4x or 3x minus 4x?
Sorry again.
Will it be 3x minus 4x or 3x plus 4x?
अच्छा. और इसके लिए rule of thumb याद रखो. Always move the one that is bigger in terms of magnitude, which is negative. Right? For example, अगर हमारे पास minus 4x है, so I will move minus 4x here and I will bring it here. अच्छा वो यहाँ आ जाएगा तो वो positive होगा. Okay. Now what I'm left with is this 3. और 3 यहाँ पे positive है, right?
Yes.
Right. So वहाँ पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा?
Negative.
Negative. बताओ. So now what do you have?
4x minus 3x equals to 2 minus 3.
Okay. So what's the value of x now?
1.
-1. ज़्यादा बड़ी वैल्यू नेगेटिव है ना, so the minus will remain, right? So now you have x is equal to -1. Now input that value into any of these in order to find y.
Are we going to input into y or x?
x का है ना, मतलब x की जगह डालना है, तो x की वैल्यू है तो x की जगह आएगी, राइट? हमारे पास इक्वेशन क्या थी? y is equal to 3 minus 3x, right? And 2 minus 4x. ऐसा ही?
Yeah,
So you can put -1 into any of these. इन दोनों में से किसी एक के अंदर भी डालो and you'll find the same value for y. जल्दी करो.
I can do this.
Sorry. Okay. So आपके पास क्या आ रही है वैल्यू? -1 आ रही है, राइट?
Yes.
ओके. हमारे पास अब हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट क्या करना है? x को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, तो हमने यहाँ -1 डाल दिया, राइट? अब जब नेगेटिव और नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो क्या होता है?
Add होता.
ऐड होता है. ऐड होता है, ये साइन चेंज होता है बेसिकली, राइट? तो ये +3 हो जाएगा और ये +4 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि हमने -3 को मल्टीप्लाई किया -1 से, तो वो नेगेटिव कैंसिल हो जाता है और वो पॉजिटिव हो जाता है, ठीक है? मेक सेंस? सो द वैल्यू फॉर y इज नाउ 6. Yep. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try this. हम इसको थ्री की जगह अगर हमने x की जगह -1 डाला तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 multiplied by -1 is now
-3.
-3 and y की जगह 6, right? So what is 6 minus 3 or -3 plus 6,
It's 3.
right? इसी तरीके से when we put -1 in terms of x यहाँ पे तो ये मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या बनेगा?
-4.
-4 and again y is 6. क्या आंसर आ रहा है?
2.
सही है. So now we have confirmed कि हमारी वेरिएबल्स की जो हमने वैल्यूज निकाली they are right, right? अब यहाँ पे let's do another question which is simple and then we move on to a bit more difficult question. यहाँ पे
Sir,
क्या करोगे? Yeah,
sir, could you do B, but like write down all the steps?
okay.
Like, don't
So
erase them.
so first question हमारे पास था we had 3x plus 3 gives us 3. Sorry, we had 3x plus y and then 4x plus y gives us 2. Yes. So step 1. So yeah, step 1 is we make subjects for both. Y को subject बना दिया so 3 minus 3x and y को दोबारा subject बना दिया so 4 minus sorry 2 minus 4x. ठीक है. स्टेप 2 हमने दोनों को इक्वेट कर देना आपस में. सही है. सो 3 minus 3x is equal to 2 minus 4x. नाउ हम सारी वेरिएबल्स वाली चीजें इस साइड पे कर देंगे और सारे नॉन वेरिएबल्स वाली चीजें इस साइड पे कर देंगे. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू हाउ यू वांट टू डू इट. आई प्रेफर हैविंग द वेरिएबल्स ऑन द लेफ्ट. सो 4x वहां पे जाएगा सो 4x प्लस सॉरी माइनस 3x is equal to 2 minus 8. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 4x minus 3x is x gives us x is equal to -1. Now step 4. No, step 4. Step 3. Step 3 is input this value into any one of these equations. Okay. So let's say 3 minus 3x is equal to y. Right. 3 minus 3 bracket minus 1 is equal to y. 3 plus 3 is equal to y. 6 is equal to y. Step 4 is confirmation. Okay? So 3 bracket minus 1 plus 3 plus bracket 6 is equal to 3. Confirm. Okay? Basically यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या चीज़ थी? पहले वाली इक्वेशन which was 3x plus y is equal to 3. Yeah, all good? Understood?
Yeah, could you go back to step? Yeah.
Which one? Okay. So
Okay, I
now
guess I
keeping
understand.
this in mind, so I pinned this now. Okay. So you can see the solution. Okay. Now try solving G and give me the values for X and Y. Try solving it within time. Okay, is it visible? So the question is part G. Here is your guide. Okay. Try solving this question. Is it visible? Can you see the guide?
Yes.
You have 2 minutes to do this question. Okay. Were you able to solve it?
Yes, I'm almost done.
Okay. Complete it. Please.
Okay, done. X is equals to 7.
Okay, were you able to do the answer?
Yes. X is equals to
Okay,
7.
x is equal to 7 and y is equal to
-2.
negative 2. So let's see what happens here. 7 plus 2 bracket negative 2 gives us 3. Let's see. 7 minus 4 is 3, right? 7 plus 3 negative 2 gives us 1. Let's see. 7 minus 6 gives us 1. Say. So that's correct for both values. Acha. Now let's look at I. I के अंदर we have 2y and we have negative 2y. Yeah. When we will be making the coefficient, when we will be making the subject है तो हमें चाहिए कि दोनों पॉजिटिव है. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे ताकि पॉजिटिव हो. कैन वी मूव दिस टू दिस साइड. या यहाँ
Yes.
पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, राइट. सो हमने इसको यहाँ मूव कर दिया और इसको यहाँ मूव कर दिया, लाइक x6 को यहाँ ले आए एंड 2y को वहाँ ले. सो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 2y इज इक्वल टू 3x माइनस 6. यस.
Yeah.
और 2y is equal to 22 minus 4x. Right? Make sense? कर सकते हैं.
जो ऊपर वाला 2y it remains positive.
वो तो अपनी जगह पॉजिटिव है ना, तो उसको हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव था तो हमने उसको जो है वो किया ताकि वो पॉजिटिव हो जाए. राइट, मेक सेंस.
Yes.
ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू वैल्यूज फॉर 2y. कैन यू फाइंड x एंड y by solving the question? You've got 3 minutes.
So I can do this one.
Okay, how far did you get?
I don't know how to make the subject.
सब्जेक्ट तो बना लिया ना हमने. टू आया ना. Both sides we have two. Okay, so we can make these equal to each other. अब कर सकते हो. Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा. Subject हमने गाजी नहीं बनाना. Okay. What we have to do is have the this variable has to have the same coefficient. Okay. So both of them are 2y, right? Since they have the same coefficient, you can make them equal to each other. अगर same coefficient नहीं होगा, तो फिर issues आएंगे. We will look at those questions further, right? I want you to solve this a bit, and then we can move forward. Is it done?
Yes, is x equals to 16.
Oh, and why? What is the value for y?
I couldn't find for y.
तो देखो steps के लिए हमें क्या करना है. पहले इन दोनों को equate करना था आपस में, right? So let's do that. 32 minus 4x equals to 15x minus 6. Now this value will take here ताकि सारे variable वाले तरफ हो जाए, and this value will take here. So ये प्लस हो जाएगा और ये प्लस हो जाएगा. Yes, ऐसे.
Yeah.
So we have 28 and we have set is x. So what is the value for x now? Yeah, what's the value for x?
4.
4. Yeah. Now you have x is equal to 4. Let's put x is equal to 4 in this equation. Okay, हमने y की वैल्यू पता चल गई राइट, तो अगर हमने यहाँ डाल दिया 4, तो इसकी क्या वैल्यू बन जाएगी अब? 12 minus 6, yeah, is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 2y. Yes, are you following?
Yes.
Yeah. So y is equal to 6 over 2, which is 3. ठीक है, make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's look at another question. Let's see where it is. Okay, let's look at, can you do h? h के अंदर भी हमारे पास 5x मौजूद है, right? So 5x is a similar variable जिसमें coefficient भी same. So we can make 5x the subject. ठीक है, 5x का सब्जेक्ट इन दोनों का बनाओ. ठीक है, उसके बाद आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन कॉन्वेंटली. ठीक है, ओके.
Okay.
Actually, going to try this question too.
Which one are we doing?
Okay,
Okay. I did
Are you
till
done?
20. I did till 24 minus 5x
Yeah,
equals to 7 minus 3x.
yeah, ठीक है. Now you move the larger number and then you move this one there. अब बताओ फिर.
Is it 7 plus 24?
It won't be 7 plus. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ आके क्या होगा?
Negative.
हाँ, so 24 minus 7 यहाँ. और ये यहाँ था, here it's negative, तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा?
Positive.
Yeah, so 3 5x minus 3x. Okay. अब बताओ आगे. What is this?
17.
15. And what is this?
2x.
2. So x is equal to 17. Right? Okay. Are we okay to here?
So it's 8.5.
Yeah, you can write this as 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. Okay. So x is 8.5. Now we can input this into any one of these. Let's say 24 plus, so minus 5x, which is now 8.5, is equal to 2y, right? Okay. You can do that. Now can you solve this thing? Hmm? Can you solve it?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Negative 9.25.
Yep. So the value of y is minus 9.25. Perfect. Now try this question. This is the last question for today. इसके अंदर देखो one of the values is negative, तो उसके हिसाब से formulate करना क्वेश्चन. You've got 3 minutes. So, you try the entire step by step process.
It x minus 6 equals 2y, x plus 4 equals 2y. Okay, I get it.
How far did you get?
X is equals to 10. Still there.
And why is?
I'm still on that part.
Okay. So is x is equal to 10 the answer? दोबारा check करो.
Is it 2?
It's not true. You move this here and this here. Yes.
Yeah.
So you get 6 plus 4 and x plus x. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I said okay, when there is no coefficient, the coefficient is 0. So 1 plus 1 is 9.
2.
So 10 is equal to 2x, isn't it? So x is
Okay.
equal to
5.
5. Now what is the value for y? You define the value for y.
Is it 2?
It's not 2. So yeah, So we'll substitute the value for x into one of these equations. And let's say this one, or let's say this one. Okay. So 2y is equal to 6 minus x, right?
Yes.
6 minus 5. So this gives us 1. Y is equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5, whichever is better for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to do some more questions in the same method. So we'll do question number L. We'll do, um, we'll do question number. So L, um, okay, let's just do that for now. We can do the questions. Okay. So L is your homework, and I want to see every step done properly. Okay. Screenshot ले लो.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Stop it.
Love.